Is your Sony YY2968 not charging? Don't worry. This video provides a straightforward guide to troubleshooting common charging problems, focusing on charging pins, case power, and resets. We'll cover the most effective solutions based on current issues reported as of January 2026. The most common fixes involve inspecting and cleaning charging pins. These small metal contacts can accumulate dirt, sweat, or corrosion, blocking electricity flow. Next, check the charging case power. The case's battery may fail to hold charge due to over-discharge or defects. Test with a known working cable. Finally, perform a reset. A soft reset clears software glitches, while a hard reset addresses stuck firmware that prevents charging detection. The YY2968 uses physical pogo pins for charging. These are small metal contacts that connect the earbuds to the charging case's power supply. The pins are located on both the earbuds and inside the charging case. These pins can become dirty, corroded, or misaligned, preventing power transfer. Visually inspect the pins on both the earbuds and the charging case. Look for any debris or oxidation. Use a dry soft brush or a cotton swab lightly dampened with isopropyl alcohol at 90% concentration to gently clean the pins. Make sure everything is dry before re-attempting to charge. If the case itself isn't charging, start by trying a different USB-C cable and power adapter. Ensure the adapter provides at least 5-volt DC for proper charging. If the case battery is depleted, leave it plugged in for at least 30 minutes before attempting to charge the earbuds. Battery degradation is a common issue, especially after 1 to 2 years of use. If the case still doesn't charge, it may indicate a faulty battery requiring professional repair. A software glitch might be preventing charging. First, try a soft reset. Place the earbuds in the case, close it, and wait 15 seconds. Then, open the case and try charging. If that doesn't work, try a hard reset. While the process may vary slightly, typically, it involves holding a button on the case or earbuds for an extended period. Check your user manual for exact steps. This clears any software errors affecting charging. Ensure the earbuds are properly seated in the case. Misalignment or dirt on the charging contacts can prevent a connection. Try gently pressing each earbud into its slot and wiggling slightly to establish contact. If you suspect firmware issues, check the Sony Headphones Connect app for updates. Outdated firmware can cause charging problems by failing to recognize power input. Open the app, connect your earbuds, and look for software update options. Consider using third-party charging adapters if the original USB-C cable is suspected to be faulty. Ensure you use high-quality, compatible adapters to avoid damaging the case. Look for certified adapters that support the required voltage and current. If cleaning, resets, and cable checks don't resolve the charging issue, the problem might be more complex, such as a failing battery or internal component. Contact Sony support or an authorized repair center for professional assistance. Attempting DIY repairs could void your warranty. Sony offered a voluntary repair program for pin corrosion issues in Q3 2025. Check if your unit qualifies. To maintain your Sony YY2968 earbuds, regularly clean the charging pins to remove dirt and prevent corrosion. Avoid exposing the charging case to extreme temperatures or high humidity, which can damage the internal components. Always store the earbuds in the case when not in use to protect the charging pins from damage. For persistent charging problems, professional calibration ensures optimal longevity rather than attempting home repairs. While online forums offer community solutions, always prioritize official Sony support for reliable fixes.